What's going on, guys? Here I have a 2021 Audi Q5 and we've got a coolant leak, and the coolant is basically leaking out of the cap here. I've had the cap closed, however the cap is broken and cracked, and then it'll also leak out through the overflow pipe right here. The main reason for that is these caps commonly break. So the cap is supposed to look like this. It's a whole piece stem there, but these commonly break in half and then the fluid spews out the top. So this one's broken into there. Basically what we need to do is remove this white piece, and we can put this replacement cap back on there. Pick this up on Amazon. It's about 10 to 15 bucks. Come in different colors. This one just was a quicker shipping, so I got the blue one instead of the black one. But I'll also put a link in the description for the OEM part if you guys are wanting to do the OEM one instead. However, this is an OEM cap here, genuine Audi part, you can see, and it also cracks. So I'd say just get the cheaper one and replace it every few years when it cracks. But grab yourself a needle nose plier, take that piece out. You might need some type of hook tool to pull it out. It looks like, you see that the thing has corroded all up. Every time I try to pull it with the needle nose plier, it just breaks apart. The plastic is so brittle now. So let me get that out and then show you guys. All right, guys, so after a long fight, we did get this piece out. You can see this is the piece here. It does not look pretty. It took a lot of effort. I've used a flathead, needle nose pliers, and this pick tool to try to pry it out. And did eventually get it out. Got a chunk that did fall down here, but I was able to use a shop vac and get that out, and then it's a little boogered up right there on that plastic. But now we can get our new part and just twist it back on, and now it is completely sealed up. Also, you want to make sure we top off this fluid. Use genuine Audi G12 coolant. I'll put a link down below for all these parts, OEM, also third party, and that should fix it right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for more car content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.